Ding! Time for class, students.
Yay. Let's put my backpack down. There. Oops.
Okay, so I have paperwork on your desk. Hashtag the carpet. So, we're going to be learning
Multiplication.
So, let's start off. So, you already wrote your name and the date with 1 times 1. The multiplication tables. So, we're going to be writing it on the is this called a whiteboard?
Yeah.
Whiteboard. Okay, so
Oops.
So, as I was saying, let's start off with something simple, like 1 times 1. So, everyone knows how to count to 10, right? I mean 12, right? Well, it's like 1 time. So count to 1 time. 1. So the answer is 1. Now, let's go to something else. 1 times 2. So you could flip it around. 2, 1 time. What's counting to 2 1 time? 1. So you counted to 2 1 time. So the answer is 2. Next, let's see. Let's do 1. Well, let's go to 1 times 3. It's the same thing. 3 1 time. It's only 3. And it keeps going on, and then on, and on. So you could, but usually the times tables only go to 12. So 1 times 5 is 5, because 5 1 time is 5. So you keep going to 12 till 12 times 1, so 12 only 1 time is 12. So let's go to something a little bit more advanced. 2 times 1. It's the same thing. 2 1 time equals 2. But what if you go to 2 times 2? You're going to add. So when you're doing the 2's, it's like doubling the number you're working with. So you're doubling 2. And what is it, student?
4.
Correct. 4. Then, if you move on to 2 times 3, double 3,
6.
so the answer is 6. And you keep doubling and doubling and doubling until you get to 2 times 12. And what's double 12?
24.
24. So this would be 24. And that's where you stop. Let's move on to one more so my student understands the 3's. So let's go 3 times 1. Of course, 3 1 time is 3. 3. So what about 3 times 2? So what's double 3?
6.
6. What about 3 times 3? You're gonna count to 3 times and add them together. So 1, 2, 3, that's one time. 1, 2, 3, that's another time. So that's already 2 times we've counted. 1, 2, 3. So how many fingers do I have up?
9.
So the answer is 9 because we counted it to 3 times. Then you start memorizing them. So 3 times 4, here let me put it higher. 3 times 4 equals, you could also flip the problem around. 4 times 3. So we count to 4 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. One time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another time. 1, 2, 3, 4. So add 10 plus 2 is
12.
12. So we have 12. You can keep using that method until you get to 3 times 12. Then you always stop at 12. And so you could count to 12 3 times. So what's double 12?
24.
So 24. That's 2 times of counting to 12. Now 24 plus 12 is
36.
36. So that's counting it to 3 times, and it would be 36. Now we know the 3s. Good job, student. You've been a well student. Now, time for you to write the answers. Now let's see if you learned how to do this. Did you?
Yes, I actually did.
Well, we'll teach you more the next time. But thanks for watching our learning video. Bye.
Bye.